Congratulations, you made it through the onboarding, and now it's time to install either the MCP server or the CLI. And in this tutorial, I will show you how to easily set up the Oxygen MCP, and you just need to follow these two simple steps. So the first one is you just copy this URL, which is essentially the MCP URL you need to paste into Claude Code. So if you open up the Claude desktop app, if you haven't installed it, do it. It's worth it for sure. And you will probably land onto one of these pages. And I would recommend you to head over to this code section here and go to this customize section. And within connectors, you want to add the Oxygen MCP by clicking here on add connectors and then add a custom one. So here we can input the name, and I would recommend you to take Oxygen that you remember, it's that one, and then you paste the URL, which we just got from here, into this field here. Perfect. You can ignore these custom settings because if I click on add, what will happen is you will be redirected if you click on connect to a login page where you need to authenticate yourself correctly. So you just click here on allow. This connects essentially the MCP to Oxygen. And once this is done, you can head over back to Claude and you will see that the Oxygen MCP is installed. We have a couple of permissions here. And if you want, you can modify these things. We have quite a few actions which you can select from. But the next step you want to do is actually to head over back here and start the onboarding prompt, because this prompt will get you up and running as fast as possible with Oxygen. So if I click this one here, what you want to do is you want to go back and start a new conversation. And for this, I'm using the GTM testing project for now, and I can paste this prompt here. And what you can do, what you can see here is it's telling Claude Code to check out your organization, which you have just authenticated, which in this case is a demo account for me. Then it should start the onboarding because we have created a skill which onboards you and instructs you about the platform. So if I just launch this and we can read through this, what you can see is that it will start to use the Oxygen MCP and guide you through the whole setup. And exactly. So if we look at what kind of tools it has searched, it's searching for the MCP endpoints which we have. And this is actually all you need to know about connecting the MCP. And from now on, you can just ask Claude Code to help you with the setup because it's connected and they can help you out.